Hey everyone, in today's app of the day video, I wanted to show you this app called Mubert, and it's an AI-based app that generates music in real time. Now, what does that mean? It takes a lot of elements that are created by humans like bass and drum and things like that, and then it uses AI technology to generate music in real time using this app. So I know that sounds a little bit crazy, but what it basically does is it takes your input into the app. So you choose the type of tempo you want, medium, fast, and then you choose the type of genre you want, or maybe you're at work, you want something for work or something to relax with. It has all those settings built in, and then when you choose those settings, it builds that music for you in real time. And then you could basically train the AI by giving it a heart or a heart down, and then over time it will learn. And it has a lot of free options that you could use. You could export your music files and then you could post them to Instagram story, for example. And you could also subscribe to get a lot more features out of the app. I'm gonna download the app and talk about all those and show you around the app. And at the end of the video, I'll give it my rating from 1 to 5. And if it's your first time here, I post these type of app of the day videos multiple times a week so you never miss the next great app. So please consider subscribing. So you could look up Mubert in the App Store, and it's spelled M-U-B-E-R-T, and then go ahead and download it and open it. And I just have my phone here on mute so I don't get any penalties here on YouTube for using this music. But let me show you around the app. I'll show you some of the free option and the paid options, and then I'll explain the end use and basically exporting videos to share on social media and other applications. So as you could see here, the tempo of the music that is creating for me is on medium. But if I go to light, or if I try to go to heavy, it's gonna require me to subscribe. So the free option comes with this medium tempo, which for my liking is actually pretty good. But if you want a more light or heavy music on the tempo, you'll have to subscribe. So let's look at the subscription here. It's about $7 a month right now, or $70 a year. But the annual version does have a 7-day free trial, which is great. That will unlock all those options. On the very top of the app, you have the dream option. If you press this down arrow, you could basically select what type of music you like. So you want to choose your different genres. You could go from house, techno, hip hop, all these different options here. So if I chose ambient, now my genre changes to ambient and it's going to create that music for me. If I press the drop down again, I could slide over to the right here and you could choose based on your activity. So are you at work? Are you relaxing? Are you meditating? You could choose music based on that. Let's go again. You have a special section where you could choose from these options. And then there's a secret one that's going to be unlocked with secret codes for doing different things like sharing to social media. And on the very last, you could create an account to create a favorite list for yourself. So let me press the triangle here to come back to the home page. So that's what's going on the top and on the bottom. The star is obviously your favorite, but it's going to require you to sign up via email. Now, this is not signing up for a subscription. This is just to unlock these features here. And on the right here, if I press that, that's the share option. So now it's creating that music for me. And here, I could either share the video that will basically generate it for me and export it for me. I could press C to remove that branded watermark by subscribing. So you see that watermark is going to be part of your export. Or I could press the image icon to add my own image as the background of this instead of what it's creating for me. And now I'm gonna just press X here to show you the middle section. So you see the heart and the heart down. That's basically you training the AI and telling it what you like and what you dislike, and it will use that to basically improve its quality. If you press the triangle, it basically pauses that last music and then creates a new music if you tap it again. That's the interesting thing about this app. It's generative music, meaning no song could be paused and is created in real time using AI. So it's taking all the different little elements that humans made and combining all that in real time based on all these different selections that you make. And then if you press the icon on the bottom, it will basically let you reload. But again, it's going to be a different song. Every time it's basically creating something from scratch. And then the top one, it's a loop option here that you're going to need a subscription for. So all in all, this is a very, very advanced app to take AI and music and combine them to be one force. And when I went to their website, what's great is they're going to let you basically license different applications using API. So if you wanted to use this for your video editing or even for your YouTube videos, it looks like they have different licenses. they don't say anything in the app about that. In fact, if you press this down arrow, you could press those two lines here and then go to the About page and then go to their website to read more about how they license different options, or go to the General tab to turn on a couple of options here. But that is kind of missing from the app, so I wish they explained a little bit more, because I could see using these for my videos as background music that's never the same, but that part was not so clear. But as far as an application to create music that's never the same, that's always different and always unique, I give it a solid 5 out of 5. I think this really has a good chance to become App of the Year even, because this technology is really incredible, looking at all the apps that I've looked at this year. I hope you found this useful. Please make sure you give this a thumbs up. I post these type of App of the Day videos multiple times a week so you never miss the next great app, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.